Hey guys, by the way, that's from Brian, a subscriber, who very kindly sent that to me because of all the spillage we were having for the windshield wiper fluid. Anyhow, thanks Brian, shout out to you, brother. Sorry I didn't open that on camera, by the way. I had a whole bunch of mail time. I opened it up on camera and the SD card ended up being corrupted. So there's a whole bunch of stuff that people sent and I apologize, but it's gone to Never Never Land. By the way, there's Dave.
What's up, guys?
So we're gonna go check out this fab shop. We got something in mind. All right, here we are. Island Metalcraft. Let's see what these guys have to say about putting a push bar on the Huracan. Tim?
Hey, how you doing?
Good, man.
Good.
So yeah, this is the project car. We're thinking push bars on the front and something on the rear. I already ripped the diffuser right off and then cut it out. Yep. So we've got all of these mounting points from the subframe perspective.
Yeah, they sent me, showed a push bar on the front.
Yep.
But I have no reference to what you want on the back.
Something that would just go with that design on the rear. Yeah, something like that.
So do you want this functional or just looks?
Let's just say if I hit something, I don't want it to destroy the car. I would obviously want it to be able to like bump into something and safely not come back and just smash everything. But I guess you're asking for a lot because we're looking to build this out of aluminum, right?
Yeah, like the picture that you sent.
Yeah.
Right? Light gauge stuff, small diameter. As far as an attachment point, that's key, right? So you have to get somewhere where it's going to be able to take an impact.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah, see, it's connected to your frame here.
Yeah.
Right? So, and this guy's connected to other things, so it would have to stay there. Here's a few attachment points on the front here.
Is it possible to have it so that it comes like I don't mind hacking a hole, you know, in here, or cutting a hole in here.
Yeah.
Whatever it takes.
If you don't mind bastardizing the car,
I don't mind.
Through something like this.
A lot of people on my channel would say I've already done it actually. Because yeah, I'm pretty used to beating the hell out of this thing.
Right. Yeah. It's there's going to be some challenges as to where we're going to find the attachment points. How are we going to bastardize the car that makes it look, you know, unbastardized?
Yeah.
To the best of our ability.
Yeah.
And then the time just figuring it out and how we're actually going to have, you know, make it look. You know, the like everything's pipe.
Yeah.
Straight.
Right.
Where there's nothing else
Curve.
to go into a bender.
Yep.
Right. So that would lower the cost because you're just dealing with straight pieces of pipe, coked out to make another piece of pipe.
I'm happy for it to look identical to that. So that's a pretty big size. How big is that?
That's 2-inch, schedule 40.
Let's hold that up again. That'd be pretty mean having a bar like that at the front of a Lambo.
Yeah.
Push bar. I'm just gonna run everybody off the road Mad Max style now. What would you think if you saw that car coming down the road with a big push bar like it's gonna have?
Probably get out of the way.
Are you gonna be the man on the project?
Oh, I hope so.
I really hope so.
I really hope so.
Well, brother, we're out of here. Thank you for your
good,
time.
man.
I appreciate it.
Thank you.
We'll be back Thursday to talk about
Sounds
the
good.
actual, yeah, we're gonna be, I'll leave the car here with you guys and you'll be getting like the physical dimensions to get it going.
Shit, that's pretty sweet, man. Can't wait.
Yeah, me neither. I mean, the back could really use it because the back is pretty butchered. So this is gonna have a nice big push bar off the back of that too.
Sweet.
I wonder, I should probably put an LED bar at the back so if someone high beams me, I can just, you know, flick it on. All right, have a great day, friend. Well, there you guys have it. The ultimate Lamborghini rally car build begins.
It's on.
Push bars.
Yeah. So what's the plan here?
Well, the plan is,
I'm gonna stand here and you do donuts around me.
no, you're gonna be on the back of the car and I'm gonna do donuts. Don't worry about it. You signed the waiver, you're good to go. Do you think he's gonna die?
Okay, first of all, for the view. Fit in this thing. Okay.
Oh no, let's try it. Let's test it. Get in there.
Check this fan.
Ready?
Did you pull a groin muscle? That would be funny. Don't scratch my car. don't wreck the wing.
Stop talking.
Okay.
Shut your mouth when you talk to me.
But seriously, don't.
Whose idea?
Get in there, hurry up.
Was this your idea?
I don't know. I saw someone else do it in the snow in a Subaru. That's how I got this idea.
In Subaru?
Yeah, there was a Subaru video on Instagram and I figured, why not, right? If I screw up and hit one of these,
Let's do this.
you might get hurt.
No, I won't. Okay, I'll kick the wall away like this.
Yeah, kick the wall away.
Like being on a
That
boat.
flexes quite a bit, hey? With you sitting on it?
Would it?
Like, yeah, hanging on to that's pretty sketch. You'll be good. Huh.
I'm just not sure how much force will be on my body when we're spinning.
I don't know.
Then whatever's mounting this and the thin sheet metal could tear off for you.
I could try to put this in my mouth.
There you go.
Just waiting for the landlord of this property to show up so that we got the green light. Let's show you where we're at. We're in a parking lot that is three-sided with hedges, and then we've got the entrance blocked off. So we now consider this no public access. So that means no trouble for us.
This might be the worst idea we've ever had. But to find out, we do it for you guys.
It'll pop back up.
I have barely any grip.
There's no guaranteeing I'll stop. But
You have to stop.
Dave, we've researched this thoroughly, and you should be completely safe.
It's my legs that'll be probably the hard part. Someone has to watch me. If it looks like I'm about to fall, I'll stop.
yeah.
I'm so tired. I'm so tired.
Get on the hood, Dave.
Show me with my feet.
Yeah, just grab the top front of the hood and put your feet up on the hood.
Here, Dave, you want to loosen up your hips before you do this? You got a little more.
The problem is that
Pointing the right way.
it's super uncomfortable. Oh, you can feel it. You can feel it. Your every muscle in your body is holding on. And about halfway through, I started saying, "Okay, stop now." No one can hear me.